Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a full face of my favorites. I have everything except a couple of products, so I of course throw those in, but we do a full face. I did not have any eyeshadows, so I went ahead and I did that, but the rest of the face we do have, plus some body stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I don't do favorites very often, but we had a full face. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna hush because we do a lot of talking in this video and my throat hurts. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, so I try to go in order when I do these, and I'm gonna start out with the face. This is the Foreo. I'll put it down below exactly which one this is. I think it's the Play, something like that. But you guys, I was having breakouts like crazy, especially on my forehead. Like, they weren't really pimples, they're the little almost whitish looking under the skin bumps, and nothing was helping. I changed up my skincare, I did everything that I knew to do. This made the biggest difference. It was like my pores were just clogged. You know how smooth your skin is after you exfoliate? This does that. But it's like it does it every day because you can use this every day. It is just superb. Body lotion. This is the Coco Shea Coconut Intense Moisture Body Butter from Bath & Body Works. And I think it is moisturizing, but the biggest thing for me is the scent. It smells coconutty with some vanilla, and I get more compliments on this, like people thinking I have perfume on. I get more compliments with this than anything else. This scent is just intoxicating. Speaking of scents, I want to talk about a perfume or cologne. Dossier reached out to me. This is not sponsored. They just sent me a couple fragrances. I got to choose which ones. And my husband wears Dior Sauvage. And what they do is they're kind of like the makeup revolution of fragrances. They were inspired by Dior to make this. This is called the Aromatic Star Anise Cologne. This is the bottle, beautiful bottle, no dyes or anything. The cap, you guys, it's awesome, it's magnetic, and this smells dead on. My husband wears this, it's dead on Dior Sauvage. I mean, perfectly. I couldn't tell the two apart. They're that good. Plus, this is cruelty free, it's vegan. Like I said, no dyes in it. They don't have parabens or phthalates. Plus, on top of that, this is only 30 bucks, okay? When you order, it comes with a little, it comes in a box, just like so. But then it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And then you get the card, you get the actual bottle, but it comes with a sample. So when you order, you can try out the sample, see how it works with your body. If you don't like the scent, you can send this back. You can return it, you can switch it out for a different one, whatever you want to do. I got two. The other one I don't like as much, but this one is everything, you guys. Like I said, it's spot on. It is honestly the same. And like I said, not sponsored. They're not paying me to talk about these. They just sent them to me, and honestly, it is a favorite. It is going to save us so much money because I can buy this instead of his regular Dior. So let's get into the skin for primer. You guys, the Wet n Wild Glass Correct Primer, I love it. It is green, but it doesn't correct my redness. It's strictly for the dewy finish. I love the way this looks on the skin, and I can go overboard with it. Like, you can really get an intense glow. So watch how much you put, but you guys, look at that. Instant, beautiful, dewy glow. And I don't see any shimmer in this product. I don't think it's that. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's magic in a bottle. You guys already know this was coming. MAC Face and Body. I am addicted. So MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Radiant Sheer Foundation. I've just not been able to put this down. I'm not gonna lie, anytime I'm not filming or I get to kind of choose my foundation, it's been this. 100%, I love this. I don't remember MAC Face and Body being this good. Maybe my skin has changed, but it is so, so good, you guys. I put it on with my fingers first. I won't stay here too long because I did a full video on this, but it is honestly a staple now. It is so good. It's medium coverage, just beautiful. It is waterproof. It doesn't sweat off my skin. It lasts all day. I love it. I don't think it's super buildable. I think you can build it a little bit, but it's medium coverage for me. Again, concealer, you guys have heard me talk about this a million times, so I won't stay here long either, but the Hynt Duet Concealer, beautiful, buildable, full coverage. I can wear this as foundation. I can wear it as concealer. I can spot conceal with it. It's so versatile that, I mean, it's just so good, you guys. It's so good. Lasts all day. I cannot get enough of this. I have worn this over and over and over, and I love it. I honestly love this. I'm not gonna set the under eye yet because I have some more cream products. This is the Hand Skincare All Natural Multi-Stick in Toasted Nutmeg. You could use this as a bronzer or as a blush. I mean, you can use it for eyeshadow as well, lips, whatever you want to use it for. But I love this for bronzer. And you guys have heard me talk about the powder bronzer from them. I love it as well, but I love this red undertone. It's just gorgeous. Like, I can't get enough of it. It's so easy. A lot of my favorites are just easy. That's how I can explain them. They're just such easy products. Like, it would be hard to mess them up. That's how easy they are. And especially in spring, I love easy. As I'm getting older, I like products to look more natural. And I do like full coverage, really glam makeup. But on the daily, I want it to look good and not look heavy. So that's what a lot of these products are. They're just easy go-to products. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. I don't have lights on. It's really reflective, but I'm not even gonna try to butcher this. I will list it down below, but this is the Color Nectar Pigment Balm in Bee Sting. Has a cute little mirror here. I literally put my same brush in, and you guys, this blush is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It takes very little and it lasts all day. It's dewy, but it's not greasy. Oh, you guys, it is an absolute stunner. Again, takes no time whatsoever. I don't have a favorite highlighter right now, odd. So I'm going to throw some highlighter on and set the under eyes, and then we'll be right back. I have two highlighters I want to talk about. No, you guys, oh my gosh. I have two powders I want to talk about. They're both face powders. The first one's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. I don't like this as strictly a powder foundation. I like it as a powder to add coverage to an existing foundation. This adds beautiful coverage. I will go ahead and I'll actually put it on the nose, so that way you guys can see. I'm just using the applicator that's in there, and this does cover my wonderful red spot on my nose, and I will tell you guys, not much covers it. So I love this. The other one is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Powder. This is in tan. This just adds a little bit of radiance to the skin, but somehow sets the makeup. It's a really pretty not adding coverage powder. So I will put this on the cheeks to let you guys see. If I could get my hair out of the way. It's not heavy, it's not cakey, it's not powdery. It's just a really pretty powder. Really light, it's nice. It really is nice. For brows, it has to be the e.l.f. Wow Brow in deep brown. This is a drier formula, but it has fibers in it, so it adds some length and some volume, and you can even turn it around and it will actually put down some pigment. So this is, in my opinion, better than Glossier Boy Brow or Benefit Gimme Brow. I love it this much, and it's just a few dollars. It's good, you guys. Now, if you like a wetter formula, this is not that. This is the perfect lower lash mascara for me. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh. I don't like it for top mascara unless you want something really natural. But this is black. This is in extreme black. The brush is so easy to just get the lashes. They don't get clumpy. It's just a really good lower lash mascara, you guys. Really good. For lips, I am in love with two Catrice products. This is the Powerful 5 Liquid Lip Balm. It's so nourishing on the lips. It feels like a treatment but looks like a gloss. So this I wear all the time, and it's not sticky whatsoever. It's not thick or goopy. It's awesome. My favorite shade is 040. And then this is the Sheer Beautifying Lip Balm in 030. Now this actually has some color, but it feels awesome on the lips. It kind of reminds me of popsicle lips, but this is thin, but feels very juicy on the lips. And again, if you have dry lips like I do, both of these products you are going to love. I'll add a little bit of the lip gloss on top. What do they call this? Lip balm, liquid lip balm. Like, do you see how just smooth that is? Has a little bit of color. I wear this all the time on its own. I swear, the lip products. And I don't get super excited about lip products. I'm not one of those that loves lip products, but these two I love. And the last thing I want to talk about is the Ardell Texture Eyes number 577s. You guys have seen me wear these a million times. They are so good, you guys. I don't typically like Ardell. They don't fit my eyes very well, but these are beautiful. I trimmed the end a little bit, and they're fluffy but wispy, but they're textured and kind of messy, and I love that. Normally, and I still love my Eylure what are they, 117s? Yeah, that's what I have on today, but those are like my all-time favorites. But I have been choosing these so much. These are just more in your face, more va-va-voom. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorites. If you have any suggestions, want me to do any type of videos, let me know down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.